Building the right software isn't just about writing code, it's about solving the right problems with the right technology. At Slitigenz, we offer a full-stack software development service, custom enterprise systems, web and mobile app development, quality assurance, and security testing. We also integrate advanced technologies like AI/ML for automation and smart decisions, blockchain for transparency and data security, IoT for real-time insights and efficiency. At Slitigenz, we unite strategic thinking, technical excellence, and modern design. Our consultants offer free advice to align tech with your business goals. Our full-stack developers build complete systems, from intuitive user interfaces to powerful back-end engines, ensuring stability and scalability. Our data engineers design smart data systems that are ready to integrate with cutting-edge technologies like AI, cloud, and real-time analytics. And our UI/UX designers craft intuitive, engaging user experiences.